This video explains how to access and remove old courses in Brightspace as a learner. We'll begin by starting with how to access an old course. After a course ends, you may want to access the course again to review the content and any associated files. However, your ability to access an old course is determined by the following prerequisites. You are enrolled in the course is set to active, the course has no date restrictions, and the current date is within the available date range of the course. This means that while you may be able to see your previous and upcoming courses on the home page or from the course selector, you likely cannot access those courses. To request access to an old course, contact your course instructor. Course instructors should remove old courses from your view before a new semester starts. If you still see courses from previous semesters, you must contact the instructor for that course to remove it from your home page. Ask your instructor to deactivate the course. If the instructor isn't available, contact your institution's help desk and explain the issue.